Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of nature's miracles, aloe vera. This incredible plant has been used for centuries for its numerous health and beauty benefits. So, let's dive right in and discover the 5 amazing benefits of aloe vera. Benefit number 1, aloe vera for skin care. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic natural moisturizer. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help nourish and hydrate your skin. It's especially beneficial for dry, sensitive, or sunburned skin. Simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and body for a refreshing and soothing experience. Benefit number 2, aloe vera for hair care. Aloe vera is not just great for your skin, it can also work wonders for your hair. Its enzymes can help promote healthy hair growth, reduce dandruff, and condition your hair naturally. You can create a DIY hair mask by mixing aloe vera gel with a few drops of essential oil and applying it to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it out for luscious, shiny locks. Benefit number 3, aloe vera for digestive health. Aloe vera has long been known for its digestive benefits. Its soothing properties can help alleviate conditions like acid reflux, indigestion, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Drinking aloe vera juice or adding it to your smoothies can provide relief and support a healthy digestive system. Benefit number 4, aloe vera for wound healing. Aloe vera has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for minor cuts, burns, and wounds. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel directly to the affected area to soothe the pain, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing. Benefit number 5, aloe vera for overall health. Besides all the specific benefits we've mentioned, aloe vera also offers a range of general health benefits. It can help boost your immune system, detoxify your body, and support a healthy heart. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly or incorporating it into your diet can provide you with these amazing health benefits. And there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of aloe vera. It's truly a versatile plant with a wide range of uses. Whether it's for your skin, hair, digestion, wound healing, or overall health, aloe vera can be your natural solution. Give it a try and experience the wonders of this incredible plant. Thanks for watching.